Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix eero Pro keeps disconnecting, firmware, placement, DHCP and ISP modem fix. To fix the eero Pro keeps disconnecting, update firmware and restart. As outdated software causes drops, open the eero app, install updates and restart the network. Or optimize unit placement. Distance or thick walls block signals. Space eros 30 to 45 feet apart with clear lines of sight. Fix DHCP and modem conflicts. Double NAT routing. Errors cause instability. Bridge your ISP modem or set EO to bridge mode. Fix 1. The ISP modem and gateway fix. Power cycle sequence. First, disconnect power cords from your ISP modem, your primary gateway ERO, and all the wireless ERO nodes. This releases the old DHCP leads from your ISP. After that, plug the modem back in and wait for 3 minutes until its indicator lights are solid and stable. Then plug in only the main eero connected to the modem. Wait for its LED to turn solid white. Fix 2. Solve DHCP and double NAT conflicts. First, log into your ISP provider's modem interface and switch it to bridge mode or IP pass-through. This turns off its built-in Wi-Fi and routing capabilities. And if you prefer your ISP router to handle assignments, open the eero app, go to Settings, in it go to Advanced, find DHCP and NAT, and change the setting to Bridge. Note, bridging eero disabled advanced feature like eero Plus. And if certain smart devices or laptops consistently drop, navigate to the eero app settings and assign them a DHCP reservation instead of letting them use static IP profiles configured directly onto the device. Fix 3. Check placement and oversaturation. Ensure your eros are out in the open, placed on hard surfaces, and not trapped inside enclosed entertainment cabinets where they can overheat. Placing eero units too close together causes wireless oversaturation. Keep nodes roughly 30 to 45 feet apart from each other. And place units away from structural obstructions like brick walls, large metal appliances, mirrors, and microwaves. Fix 4. Adjust app settings and firmware features. First, turn off client steering. Navigate to Settings, then go to Advanced in the eero app and toggle client steering to off. While designed to seamlessly push roaming devices to the closest node, it can cause older or stationary electronics to get stuck in a disconnection loop. Then toggle WPA3 off. If your jobs happen primarily on older laptops, smart plugs, or older smartphones, disable WPA3 security under the eero settings lab, as many legacy gadgets cannot negotiate this protocol reliably. Next, check for updates. Go to Settings, then go to Software Updates to verify your system is running the latest patched version to resolve known firmware bugs. Fix 5. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold the reset button on the bottom/back of the malfunctioning eero unit. Then hold it for roughly 7 seconds until the LED flashes yellow. Then release the button immediately. The unit will reboot and return to a stable, solid white status. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.